Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can do your own proper hanging anode to protect your hull from any kind of corrosion. And that's how I do it. So what you need for that is a zinc anode, a normal one like this. It's one for a propeller, I think. You will need a bolt, a washer and a nut. You will need a piece of wire like this one. Best would be, of course, like an insulated wire with plastic or something, not to scratch the boat or anything. And you will need a thimble, something like this. And you will need also a clamp, something like this, a U-clamp. So everything you need to do then is like put your bolt through your anode like that. I put the washer on top so I can actually bind my wire around like that, and in the end screw the bolt from the other side. So first what I'm gonna do is I would put the wire around the clamp or in the clamp. This size should be good. Close the clamp. Put it around the anode like that. And then close it from here, from the other side. Like this it should hold, and your anode shouldn't go anywhere. On the other side I do the same. And like this my hanging anode is finished, and I can hang it anywhere on my boat. For the installation I just drill a hole into the aluminium. I do it in here in the locker, and then I hang it like overboard and outside in the water. And here you can see one that I bought. Costed me around 50 euros, and this one I did myself, and it's like 20 euro the anode, and I would say like 5 euro the other parts. So easy and fast installation. Usually I hang 2 anodes in the stern and 1 in front on the bow.